In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 tips for making friends as an international student. Coming right up after this. What's happening, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is Richard, and on this channel, we provide you with tips, tricks, strategies to enhance your international student experience. I also sometimes share my experiences living in the US for a while, and sometimes I also create content around professional development. So if this is content that you like, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on notifications so that anytime a new video goes live, you will be notified. Also follow us on Twitter at globe_engage to stay up to date with previews and sneak peeks of our upcoming videos. Living in the United States as an international student can be very overwhelming, especially if it is your first time leaving home. It can be overwhelming because the academics, the social politics, and just the overall feeling of leaving culture and country that you are used to a different country is very difficult. The adjustment you have to make whilst living in a different country is very difficult. And as such, it's important to find groups of people that you can share ideas with, vent to, and just create a sense of community around you. Making friends as an international student can be a little bit tricky. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 tips that you can use as a strategy to help you make friends as an international student. So if you're ready, let's jump right into the video. The first tip I'm going to share with you is to be open to new ideas and experiences. Meeting people from different cultural backgrounds can be both exciting and overwhelming at the same time, especially since you may be meeting people whose cultures you are not familiar with. That also adds to the experience of being an international student and a globally engaged person. Now, how do you even open yourself up to new experiences and cultures? Don't be shy to join new clubs or groups of people who come from different countries than you are used to. This way, you are able to collaborate and meet new people from different countries, and who knows, you might meet somebody who shares an idea that you value or somebody who is on the same career path as you. You never know until you find out. Every school in the United States has a lot of clubs, organizations, and associations that you can join, from gaming to reading to horseback riding, anything you can think of. So put yourself out there, find out what clubs exist in your school and what you can join to be a part of at least a community. And by doing this, you basically open a door for yourself to start meeting new people, and hopefully you start making some new friends or just adding people to your connection. So if you do not take anything away from this video, remember, be open to experiencing new things and new people. And that is the first tip I have for you. The second tip I'm going to talk about as a way to make new friends is to volunteer at events on campus. Throughout the year, or especially beginning of the semester, there's going to be a lot of events in your school. And the best way to meet new people is to volunteer at these events. Now, volunteering is going to do 2 things for you. One is going to give you an experience into, the American corporate culture. Or if you're an undergraduate student, that volunteering activity is something you can put on your resume. But today we are talking about making friends. So how does volunteering open the door to friendships as an international student? Well, the chances are that you are going to meet other international students who may be also volunteering at these events. And that will be a good way to strike up a conversation and, to keep that conversation going. Volunteering also opens doors for you to meet people within the community and also to make some good connections that you can add to your networks. So yes, Don't hide in your room, don't hide behind your books. Go out there, find any charitable organizations on campus or even within the community where your school is and volunteer. And I can bet you that you walk away at least meeting 2 or 3 people that you can eventually build friendship with. The third tip, which is my personal favorite, is to host a dinner. Yes, before you say that, Richard, COVID-19 is still a thing, hold it right there. Reason is, hosting a dinner allows you to invite people that you've met during orientation in an ideal situation into your home and share a meal with them. You can host the dinner by requesting everybody you are inviting to bring food from their home country. This opens the door for you to sample food from around the world and for other people to sample food from your home country. However, since we are still dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic, if there's anything that we've all learned as a people over the last year is that sometimes we can do some of the things that we do physically virtually. So if you are not comfortable allowing people into your homes, well, here's another way you can play it. You can host a virtual dinner where you request that everybody makes food, you set up your Zoom or your Microsoft Teams meeting, and everybody gets to share their experiences, share their ideas whilst they also eat their food on camera. You can even add a twist by asking people to share with you the recipes to the foods that they've made. That is a creative way to still host a dinner whilst being safe in the comfort of your home. So yes, try it out. Host a dinner, invite a few people who you know are vaccinated, or you can still host that dinner in an outdoor space where you can socially distance and still enjoy the company of some potentially good friends. If you found this video useful, share with us in the comment section below what you found useful. I hope this video has provided you as an international student, especially those starting school this fall, some things that you can do to at least hit the ground running as far as building your friendship community is concerned. I would definitely entreat you to build a network of friends, because transitioning into an American educational system or even a different community in general is not a joke, and sometimes we need those friends who can understand things from our perspective to be able to lean on. If you're watching this video and you are not yet subscribed to this channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on notifications so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified. Also follow us on Twitter at globe_engaged to stay up to date with previews and sneak peek of our upcoming videos. Also, click on the card above or click on the links to some of the other videos I have on this channel. Hopefully, you will find something useful that you can share within your community. Until I see you on the next video, stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.